Okay, y'all, I gotta update y'all about the bathroom. I shared with y'all yesterday that I had cleaned. I scrubbed the glass shower doors that I had up there to my previous shower. I shared with y'all that the floor that I purchased was smaller than the kit that, than the one that came with the kit that I had in here before, right? He told me to get the 36 inch, but it actually was a 38 inch. Okay, excuse me, y'all, I had to clear my throat. So, make a long story short, I shared with y'all the tile work, all of that stuff. Everything looked really good. These walls here, whatever. He was going to put the shower doors up. He said he could make them work. When he called me downstairs today, he said that the shower doors, no, he told me that he had them up. I was all set. When I opened the shower door, it was very flimsy, and I'm like, this is not gonna work for me. Like, I was a little bit frustrated for real. But he put the shower walls up. I don't think he was expecting for it to be that way, but he did say, okay, yeah, they are flimsy. Like, I'm like, I said, no, I just don't want to take a chance at that, and then they fall, So this is what I originally wanted, was the wall to be up, and so that's what that's what I have. So, I mean, that's what he ended up doing. We ended up going to the store and got the 2x4s and then these boards, drywall for the shower. So I will be able to use a shower rod. So I think I'm gonna buy a shower rod so that he can put it up here for me, just because of how odd this is made. So I'm gonna go get that. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I don't know where I left off at, but what I was saying is, before you put the walls up, when you walk in, it seemed like the shower was just because it was wide open because the doors wasn't on, so it made the shower look extremely big. And now with these doors up, you can actually see the walls up, you can see the actual size that it's going to be. This is the opening to get in there. It's just a little corner shower. But, yeah, like the floor, like I say, is a little bit small, 2 inches smaller than what the other one was. This right here, I'm just not coming down here to see this. When he did it, laid the tiles down, the actual glass tile yesterday, it was all the way around the shower, and it looked so nice. Right, all trimmed all the way around at first. It looked nice. But like I said, once he cleaned it up, I'll see how that's gonna look. And once he finished putting the tiles and stuff up, the dilemma is I went to the store to go get some more of these tiles right here. These are 8x12s. I got them at Lowe's on clearance. When I got them, I got the last 3 boxes in the box that was open. And when I went back today, they didn't have any more. I thought I picked up some they by the same company, but they are shorter ones. And I don't know, I don't think it's going to be enough, because it's only like a box and like -2 shy of 2 boxes. I'll say that out. Yeah. So -2 tiles shy of two boxes of tile. So by me buying the long ones, it covered up more footage. But with the shorter ones, it's going to take more, if you get what I'm saying. So the ones that I already had, because I had a few of the long ones left. I got a few of the long ones left. So he's going to have to just use the long ones. I think he was saying he was going to put them, he gonna put the long ones. I don't know if he was talking about using them on the outside or the inside, but I'm just going to have him put them on the inside of the shower. And he can use the shorter ones on this side. It is what it is, because it's, in the shower. And then the outside, I might just do a whole different color. If I don't find a tile like this, I might just do a whole different color. Because at this point, I'm just tired and I'm ready for it to be done. It is my basin shower, but I still want it to be nice. But we didn't even know if it was going to even leak, because the doors was hanging off a little bit, but he said they was on, as tight as he can get them, on. But we didn't even know if it was going to even leak, because we had to wait on the caulk to dry to turn the water on. So I'm just like, I told him, I was like, I'm sorry, and I'm not trying to send you through or try to put you through no kind of troubles or none of that. He said he understood, but I asked for this the other day, the wall. I don't know why you know, we didn't go to get the stuff, because I did suggest that. But it is what it is. Like I say, now I'm just going to go and look for this brown tile right here. And so now I'm going to go, in a little bit, I'm going to run to the Home Depot and Lowe's and see if they have, because these towels, I think I got them at Home Depot. That's been years ago though. So I'm gonna see if they got something close to it. If not, I'm just gonna go with a whole nother color on the outside of the shower. As long as the inside is all white, I'm gonna go with a whole different color on the outside. So, and I originally wanted blue. So I'm telling you, if I find a blue that's reasonable, then the whole outside is gonna be blue. It's just gonna be blue, and it's just gonna be a colorful bathroom. It is what it is. That's just what it's gonna be. I should have bought a light for him to change this light out right here. Is what I should have did. That light is so dirty and dusty, and I need to take it down. This here, I don't even know what the cover is for it. But yeah, they do sell the covers. I could just clean it and just, you know, and get another cover for it. But yeah, I ain't too vested in this bathroom, because like I said, it's just the downstairs bathroom. But I need to remember to get me a shower rod, because yeah, and get a shower rod because I want him to put it up for me. And I'm trying to think, do I want the shower rod to go all the way up? Because I want to be, if I'm using a regular curtain, a shower curtain, if I'm using a regular shower curtain, I want this to be long enough for, I want the rod to be up so that I can't even think, because I'm looking at other stuff, so that the liner will be able to be on the inside. The liner could be on the inside of the shower, and you know, the rod be on the outside for the, yeah. So if I don't find one, I might just call them or text them and say, okay, yeah, I think I might have you make me, since these walls are so awkward, with a corner shower. I don't even know what made them even build a corner shower when they did it for me before. But yeah, I need to, I don't know, I gotta figure out the rod, because I definitely gonna need that. I'll be